Ready? Good morning, this is Lewin Farrell with Rose Electronics over at the DSE Expo. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Orion X series of matrix switches. Currently I have a very small model installed for demonstration purposes. However, the port density on this switch will go from 8 ports all the way up to 288 ports. The nice thing about this unit is that it is port independent, so you don't have to rely on a specific port for your switching. I can move this computer from this port over to this port, and it will essentially find the associated receiver or monitor that it was previously connected to. This is great for problems where you have a bad port. You simply unplug it and plug it into another port. I have 4 transmitters. This is actually the switching unit, and I have 2 receivers. One receiver is plugged into this video monitor, video wall. The other receiver is plugged into my rack view monitor over here. Switching is basically similar to any switching that you would do with a traditional switch. So I can switch to another computer simply by keying in the number and pressing enter, and notice that I have a different computer. I can also switch the big monitor simply by going into the OSD, going into extended switching, signing on, and then going to that particular receiver and going to a different computer. And as you can see, my big screen has now changed to a different computer. For more information on our Orion X and XC product lines, please visit us at www.rose.com for more information. Thank you.